Hey guys, so I just got done watching Steven Universe's episode about an hour ago, give or take. Luckily enough, it wasn't on 7:30; it was on 6:30 for me. I'm gonna be talking that, but I'm gonna be doing another video tomorrow, either tomorrow night or first thing Wednesday morning, and then the third episode's reaction for me or review for me Wednesday night, and then for the next 2 days you are not gonna hear anything from me. You most likely will be seeing me something on very late Sunday night or first thing Monday morning, because I won't be around to do the videos, or at the very least watch the last 2 episodes of Steven Universe, which is going to be killing me, I'm going to tell you that much. Sorry. There we go. I gotta put my head in between these 2 pictures. So pretty much and I just found out there was a new bingo card put out. I don't know if it's just for the stuff this week, let alone if all the stuff in the video card is legit. I know one thing for sure is legit, and that is the square that says Pink Diamond's backstory. Now we might get more stuff still, but I do believe that this was a lot more of what we needed, and it actually explains a lot, because I'm guessing Rebecca Sugar figured that once we found out about Pink Diamond, after all of this stuff, whether some of these episodes were added last minute decisions, or if it was just the fact of they wanted to prolong this longer, but all the episodes were planned out this way. Because I mean, some of the town episodes, I don't know. But the fact of the matter is, she knew that we were all going to be either hating Rose Quartz or just still being fan-overing that Rose Quartz was Pink Diamond. So this episode actually really did explain how Pink Diamond became Rose Quartz. It wasn't just we got all those backstories, and then the false story of how from Garnet, which I'm gonna say is like there might be partial truths, but a lot. Like maybe when about the whole Rose Quartz experience in humans part, I think out of that whole story, and probably Bismuth and her story. Obviously, Pearl's was not exactly the truth. Now, the other thing I'm going to say is we did find out a little hint from Pearl that she was given to Pink Diamond. So this theory that she might still be originally White Diamond's Pearl, or a Pearl made by White Diamonds in White Diamond's colony. And if you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. Long story short, I'm still writing papers, but I'm making time for this. But pretty much that theory can still happen. Now, I'm not going to be really talking about much about the bingo card outside what I just did. Again, I'm going to be watching tomorrow night's episode, maybe on time, maybe like later, because I'm going to be done with my last day of class, and I'm going to be tired. I might get done early, it all depends on how things go. I'm going to be tired because I'm still going to be writing by tomorrow. By the time I leave tomorrow. Most likely. And then definitely you're going to see Wednesdays. Now the thing is, I'm going to be going out for the next 2 days after that. So pretty much I'm going to be just doing my review Sunday night or Monday morning, depending on what's going on Sunday night. I might have to work, I might not. The only plan is that I'm not working up to that point. I'm still waiting on that phone call. I am actually really glad of how this episode is. It's not the fact of making Rose Quartz, or not Rose Quartz, I'm used to saying Rose Quartz now, Pink Diamond out to be a martyr, but it just gives a better explanation. It's not just throwing an excuse out to us, but it's giving us a real explanation. Now, the thing about it is, I watch Slice of Otaku and Roundtable, mainly Roundtable right now. And the thing about it is, they were saying that this conflict between Ruby and Sapphire, because of this whole thing about Pink Diamond, is going to span through the whole 5. Now, the thing about it is, Ruby was okay with understanding this. Sapphire wasn't. So, I'm guessing from the line that she said that their relationship was built on a lie, because Rose Quartz really wasn't really Rose Quartz, but Pink Diamond, who they all feared and hated, supposedly. Now, the thing about it is, outside of her acting like a child in that dream flashback with Stevani in Jungle Moon, I'm not, and these supposed, and from the blue and yellow diamonds perspective, we have outside of a hand, a silhouette of white, and then pretty much that dream. I'm not seeing anything bad about Pink Diamond or White Diamond, but I'm guessing White Diamond is not going to be any better than blue or yellow. So the fact of the matter is, it's like, it feels like Rose Quartz is actually a good person. I think she most likely is a defected diamond, because it seems I'm not seeing any way of her not being a defect with the way she's acting. She is completely opposite of what we've seen so far with the diamonds. Yes, the diamonds do show emotions, but it seems like they're more hierarchy, either that or they've been around a lot longer, and Rose or Pink Diamond is just the youngest of the group. I'm probably right, but I don't know. And it's like, it seemed like Ruby was fine, but now that Sapphire's gone, Pearl's whole story about what happened, and I still can't believe that Pearl was the one who suggested the whole change appearance thing. It wasn't even Pink. So, let alone picking Rose Quartz, it's like Pearl actually had an image of a quartz that looked like Rose Quartz, which little keychain, and that's what she decided to go off of, because she obviously saw that. But now that Sapphire's okay, Ruby's missing, and there's a note, and then it ends there. So we won't know. So the thing about the amethyst thing, it says Steven, but I feel like maybe it was Ruby. I feel like right now they got it wrong way of saying Ruby, and we still haven't seen any bio descriptions for Wednesday through Friday's episode. So I'm hoping we get something maybe later tonight, if not first thing sometime tomorrow morning, because if they don't give us something at least for Wednesday, people are going to be really confused. Now because especially for people like me who have DVR, and sometimes it's been recording old episodes last week, not all of them, but just like ones that were airing. Like, I got to see one of my favorites, I can't remember which though, it was the one where we find out that Garnet is a fusion. So that's like way back, but it's like, it has like the kind of description of the whole series, like when it first started, which is like Steven's the youngest member of the Crystal Gems, blah 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 blah. It's like just 2 lines on my thing, and it's like, though the ones that usually are old episodes, it's a lot longer. This one's just saying that a summed up version. And I'm feeling like, unless they give us a description, I'm not going to be 100% sure if these are actually episodes, which I'm probably just overthinking everything. But I'm guessing tomorrow's episode is going to be not just about Steven and Amethyst, but also probably Ruby and her contemplation. Maybe it's finally sinking in that Rose Quartz was Pink Diamond. And with that being said, I'm going to stop there. I had 2 other episodes. I am going to do the Marlon Bundo thing. I was supposed to be doing that by now. We were supposed to be done with it by now. I do actually have a whole video, and I will try to upload that either this week or next week. Most likely next week, so that way it doesn't interfere with these episodes or these little reviews. With that being said, this is Ali signing off. Click like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. I'm going to go back to doing dishes and listening to the round table and their review of the this episode, and then I'm hoping to see maybe more of like a speculation episode, or even more stuff, because I mean, outside of this the new bingo card thing, it's like we haven't, and this green diamond possibility, I still think it's either going to be Steven, one of the other gems that he hasn't fused with yet, or maybe the new version of the rainbow quartz, which I guess is technically rainbow diamond, if we're really thinking that way. I mean, maybe because she's in the form of Rose Quartz, technically it could be still Rainbow Quartz, but I don't know. Or it is going to be Green Diamond, because obviously blue plus yellow equals green. So yeah, click like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys most likely tomorrow night. And I'm really hoping that all these episodes this week really are going to solve our, give us more answers besides just this one. This one gave us a good chunk of answers since we saw single pair rows. Bye! Oh, and happy 4th of July.